Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jodi, where I deal with everything to do with motherhood. I'm a mom of 2 kids. Makeup, I used to be a self-taught makeup artist. I am a costume designer, style, I love to dress up. I actually won a style award a few years ago. So come along with me on life's journey where I show you my hectic, crazy life. Stop flirting!
Oh, wonderful. Wonderful.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jodi, where I talk about everything from motherhood, makeup, lifestyle, and style. And today it's all about Levi's birthday. So I had a huge party for him on the weekend, and tomorrow is his actual birthday. So lots of activities. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the party on Saturday. I'm going to tell you about all the DIYs, all the things that we made for the party, and show you pictures from the party. Very exciting, Levi's fireman birthday. And because his actual birthday is tomorrow, I still want to do something special for him. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some cupcakes for his class. So yeah, just really simple. I don't think it's really hard. It's a box mix. So, and he's going to help me to decorate them just with some sprinkles. I have some extra loop bags to take for his class tomorrow. So let me get these in the oven and then let's talk about Levi's fireman birthday. I have my little cake pans here, just to make it easier on the kids too. Easier for when it comes out. They just pop right out. Some cupcake liners here. I'm going to make 24, and conveniently there are 24 kids in his class. You know who really should be here doing all of this? Nana.
Hello, Granny.
When I do
you know
video,
what?
when I do my
I
YouTube
fancy
about
a glass of
my
orange
station
juice.
is
Good idea, Grandpappy.
I subscribed already. I update and I subscribe.
See you later.
I want all my cupcakes to be nice and even, which never happens. So I'm just going to use a scoop and try put an even amount of batter in each little pod. You know what? You know what would probably be a really good idea? Bless you. Always tasting. Bless you. He had his big party with all of his friends and all of his family. And you know what? I really don't want to start where his birthday is like this whole week-long, month-long celebration. Celebrations are nice, but celebrations are expensive. I actually, for last year, we didn't have a big birthday for Levi. And what I did was I made his cake. Right, this kind of looking scanty, eh? Let me put a little more in it. Oh, that looks better. Remember, it's gonna rise. So. February is like the hardest month to be on a diet because there's so many birthdays. And then there's Valentine's Day, now my sister's anniversary because she did a pop-up wedding on Valentine's Day. Right, Remi? You went to a wedding?
Hi there.
As quickly as possible. And then we're gonna dive into what do you call it? Levi's birthday party. Levi's birthday party. I wonder if it's possible for Remi to be a Jehovah's Witness, because this birthday party thing is very stressful. Oh my gosh. Remi wants a little taste? No. You have to eat your pumpkin and your cauliflower first. Eat your pumpkin and your cauliflower first. Somebody's cupcake may just not be as fluffy and fat as the next, but again, sometimes it's life, you know. Sometimes your cupcake is fluffy and sometimes it's not. It's just life. Right, Rem? So it was bake time, 12 to 17 minutes, and it was at how many? 350. All right. Let me put everybody in. And it said 12 to 17 minutes, so I'm going to set my timer to 14. Just to be on the safe side. Alright, I'm tied up. Let's talk about Levi. Go ahead.
Is there a fire?
There sure is.
Where's the fire?
Over there.
Over there?
Yeah. Okay, so with Levi's birthday party, I wanted to do something just really small and cute, and I'm big into DIY. So the first thing that I did was I looked on some of my favorite websites to see what was on sale. So the sites that I used were Party City and Oriental Trading. So I looked and saw what themes, you know, I could use that were on sale to kind of help me. Now, one thing that I always do when picking a party theme for a child, try not to pick one of the registered trademarks. Because once you get into one of the registered trademarks, already you're going to be paying top dollar for the party favors, for the decorations, backdrops, anything like that. So I went on to Oriental Trading and I saw where they were having a sale on some cardboard fire trucks. These were a big hit. So I got 6 of them and I got some paint, poster paint, and I painted them red, yellow, and the kids loved them. They were actually holding them, running around, and it added decor. So it took up a lot of space. So I could put them in the corner. One was on the cake cutting table. They were all over the place. The kids loved them. I actually think the kids took them home, which is fine. They're actually sold as like a loot bag item. What? Oh, those are black markers, so I can just do up the lines after I paint over the lines, just to do them up again. It's okay, I will do it. It's not that crazy. Oh, yeah. These are just pain in the butt. Where is your nana to come and help?
You have to get me on
Whoops, sorry.
table. You have to get me on the table.
No, I don't have to get you on the table. You don't need to go on the
I
table.
want to go on the table.
For what?
I need to paint this.
I said we have to assemble them first.
You
have to do your prep work.
And now,
So once I've picked my theme, Fireman, I go to Pinterest and I try and look up on Pinterest for different ideas, decor, all kinds of Pinterest stuff. So I saw where the Fireman theme, they used burning buildings. So the cardboard boxes that the fire trucks came in, I flattened them and painted them black with flat black paint. That was easy. And then I went to my printery and I printed on sticky paper flames. And so once I stick those flames onto the black board, it looked like a burning building. And to top it off, I got red tissue paper, orange tissue paper, and yellow tissue paper, and just fluffed it up at the top. What other DIYs did I do? Just little things. So I had fireman's fuel, which is... Are you coming out or are you staying? You just want me to look at you? You just want me to look at you? Do you need a toy? You just want me to look at you? Levi and Nana painting the building. Supervisor Remi. Some of the cute little things that I did. So a juice dispenser. Now I would invest in two things, a cake stand and a juice dispenser. So whenever I'm entertaining, it's always a lot more inexpensive to just buy the juice packets and mix out some juice. So instead of having, you know, the tons of, you know, you're buying the gallon juices or you're buying the little juice pouches, I have my juice dispenser. And a sign that I made for my juice dispenser was Firefighter fuel, and I stuck that on my juice dispenser. Some of the little items, I guess you could call it giveaways, was a little fire hydrant that was a sippy cup. That would be great as a loot bag giveaway. Also, Oriental Trading is great for those toys in your loot bag. Now for me, growing up, candy is a part of the loot bag. I love the candy, but I like to give more gifts, more little tangible puzzles, something like that. So to try and keep costs down, get one thing, so one nice thing. So if you're doing like a tea party, maybe you could give away a tea set or a tea cup. And maybe one of the activities at the party, they could personalize their teacup. Or the fire hydrant little sippy cup that I have, that could be the giveaway. I also got some other little things inside the loot bag. There was a fire extinguisher, water gun, there was a little fire truck, there was... I actually have one of the loot bags. Let me go and get them and show you. Remi, I'll be right back. All right, again from Oriental Trading, little gift box, and Nana just made some tags, and under, if you see, from Levi wrote up all of his little gift tags for his class, and I tried to involve him, you know what I mean? Some little pen marks on here, it's really here nor there to me, but it was really important for him to take part in his loot bags, to take some pride and to be like, hey, I wrote that up. So I had him help me write up the gift tags. So of course I have my candy, I have a fireman hat, the regular little candy all over the place. Kids love these. Kids love these blowers. I think I got these on Amazon. And your fire extinguisher water gun. Little fire truck. I think these were on sale too. And little rubber ducky dressed as a fireman. And then I got these on Etsy. So that was a loot bag there. And of course I have the candy, but I like to have, you know, just more toys in the loot bag and not just candy, or just do one really nice giveaway item for the loot bag. Stores in Jamaica that can really help you with loot bag items or party items. Every free thing, you can check them out on Instagram. Also, the stationery store, Practical Stationery and Gift Store in Kings Plaza can help you. Lots of teachers go there. I got all of my cartridge paper and crepe paper there, and all that matters. So those stores can really help you to get the little gifts to fill your loot bag, and just to look around for like great ideas for planning a party. All those things that you see, I call All That Matters Jamaica's Target. You have to check them out. They're on Manning Hill Road. For loot bags, you can also do a little gift card. And you know what, guys? Don't feel pressure. You don't have to do a loot bag. I did everything from stem to sternum, so I had the loot bags. If you want, you can give a little gift card. And then again, you don't have to give anything at all. Also remember, wrapping and packaging is So important. It can look like part of the present. Another great little loot bag or a giveaway at a party. Those little tubs of ice cream and put a bow on it. And you can say something sweet like, it was so sweet for you to come by. You know, just kind of use your imagination. And guys, use Pinterest. It's there. It's a free app and that's why it's there. So now for the cake, I had Melissa Hawbrook. She did the cake for me, fireman theme. So there was a hose and a fire truck and all kinds of excitement. And when I'm, you know, engaging creative people, bakers, you know, caterers, whoever it may be, whenever I'm engaging creative people, I don't like to give them too many barriers. I say, listen, the theme is a fireman. I would love to have a little Dalmatian on the cake, or what did I say to her? I said, I'd like to have a little bit of everything and a fire, some kind of fire theme, maybe a fire truck or something fire on the cake. Melissa, you do you. I showed her a couple of pictures from Pinterest, but I let her know this does not have to be exact. And you know what? When you let the creative juices flow from those artistic people, you get great work. When you stand up over somebody like, no, could you do this? Could you, no, maybe not a Dalmatian, maybe, could we do, then it kind of, it inhibits them and you know, I like to let them just let loose and flow. Another tip that I'd like to tell you, if you're engaging vendors, like you're using a food company, you're using a decorating company, try and use the same person every single time because one, they kind of get an idea for your personality, and then two, you build that relationship that in the future you could ask for discounts or you could ask for favors. Back to the cake. The cake is so beautiful, and you know, I find that at birthday parties now, and even with Levi's party, I made the cake table into a centerpiece. So that was kind of the center of the party. The cookies were there, the cake was there, the burning buildings, the banner, like that's where the tent was, where people come and sit down and eat. So what I did was to make sure that I captured all of that. I asked the family, you too, Remi. I asked Remi, Sean, and Levi to come on over to the cake table before I called any of the guests over to cut the cake. Now, you have to be quick because once those kids see that cake, they come running. So get the family together and get your photographer and take nice pictures of the cake table and the family by the cake table and all of the excitement you have going on in the background. Now, before your party, make sure that your phone, your camera is properly charged. And kind of designate someone. Family is there for a reason. Be like, hey, Tricky, can you make sure you take tons of pictures today? You can't take any pictures yet, man. All right, designate that person to take pictures for you. Under that table where we had our cake was all of the like extra supplies and things that I'd need. So I had my lighter. I find whenever I go to a birthday party, you're always, who have a lighter? Who have a lighter? We need to cut the cake. Where's the lighter? I had my candles, my lighter, extra forks, napkins, and a first aid kit. But there was no bus heads at the party, so we're good to go. So under that table, you can have your little extras, maybe some extra candy. If you plan activity, you just want me to look at you? Yes. If you plan any activities, you can have the crayons, whatever it may be, under that table. So it's quick to get to, you don't have to run all over the place to get what you need. So when I was starting this whole birthday party, I said, I just want to do something little, something cute, you know, I don't want to spend too much money. That went out the door. You know, I think what we're going to do now is create a tradition within our household. So we're going to pick certain years that we have birthday parties because it's really expensive and it's just so much time, so much effort, and it's very stressful, you know, to have a birthday party every year. It was a lot of kids because I have my friends and their kids. And then Levi is now old enough, he has his little friends at school and stuff. So, you know, this can't be an every year thing. I think the next time will be 6. So we're going to start our traditions. We're going to pick the years that there are birthdays. And, you know, Remi will know coming up, she knows she will get a 3rd birthday. She will know, don't ask when you're 4 because it ain't happening this year. And then she'll wait again until 6. So they have something to look forward to and they know that it's not just going to be, Mommy, I want a party, because no, you can't. When I realized things were getting out of control, I needed a party planner just to help pull everything together. My sister decided to have a pop-up wedding. My sister decided to have a pop-up wedding the day before, so I needed some help just to pull everything together for me and to do the setup, and most important, to do the pull down. because at 6 o'clock when the party was over and I needed to bathe Remi, I had no intention of folding up chairs and wiping off tables. So I called in Giselle. She helped me out a lot. She's from We Plan Pretty. Giselle, thank you so much. I really appreciated all of your help. For activities, the perfect little activity for 3-year-olds is that train. So you'll see some pictures here. Mr. Spalding from Party Plus has this amazing train. It is so expensive, Mr. Spalding, really but it took the guys a long time to set up, and the train ran all day, and there were, I think, 2 or 3 people there manning the train. So I can kind of see why it was, a little pricey, and it's just a perfect activity for 3-year-olds. So I would recommend Party Plus. They have a wide range of bounce about. You'll get one too, Remi. They have bounce abouts, they have trains, I think they have bumper cars. They were very helpful. They came on time to set up, and they did not rush me at all. They didn't come and tap me on my shoulder to say, They didn't come and tap me on my shoulder to say, hey, time to move things along. So I really appreciated that. And of course, it was really enough. I got printed shirts for the whole family. I am mom of the birthday boy. And I'm really proud of Sean because he wore his. I didn't think he was going to. And Levi was so happy to put on his shirt that had the number 3 on it. And it was overall a really, really good day. And you know what? I'm glad that I had this birthday party and went all over. What is it? All aboard? All overboard? All aboard? I was being extra. I'm glad I did it because Levi had such an amazing time. And you know what? I don't care what anyone wants to say. When a birthday party is over, I'm so glad it's over. Like, I can just finish with that until August when I have to start planning again. Great decor tip would be to use wrapped empty boxes. So those large boxes that you can get from the supermarket, wrap them in wrapping paper, put a bow on them, and it adds height and dimension to like an empty corner. I did that for, my mom did that for Remi's baby shower, where it was just a tall wall of pink wrapped boxes. Streamers are cheap. This is all inexpensive. To hang the little streamers, and you can create that backdrop wall. So you can do streamers, you can do presents. I did a banner, I printed a banner. Balloons. Now just remember, depending on the time of day or whether it's indoor or outdoor, balloons can pop. So for Levi's first birthday, I actually did a little something for him inside, and I blew up the balloons from the night before and created a beautiful balloon arch with balloon monsters. And because it was inside, not too many of them popped. So there are ways to keep costs down, and guys, just visit those pages to help you to just get some inspiration and get the inspirational juices flowing. And I'm about to ice my cupcakes with Levi. He has to help. Woo. Ready. All right guys, so that's it for my all about Levi's 3rd birthday video. I hope you enjoyed, and just I don't want to say. Hey guys, and that's it for my YouTube video on Levi's 3rd birthday. I hope you enjoyed our family photos and my little tips, and me just being a really nice mom to do a big party like that, especially the day after my sister's wedding. She's trying to friend me up, make sure she secures in her 1st birthday. Yes, don't worry. Oh, no, that's for Aaliyah. That's Aaliyah. Let me see the tag. See here? It's Aaliyah from Levi.